guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I thought I'd share with you my top farmhouse type DIYs from Dollar Tree or Dollar Store, because we have a Dollarama here as well that are on my channel. Number 5 is the balance scale. Now, I posted this about 3 weeks ago and it has gotten pretty good amount of views. This was so easy to make. I just used the mug tree that I purchased at Dollarama, some wood dowels, and some balls, as you can see, and then just painted it. And I used kitty food bowls for the little bowls that hang on a scale. And I use chalk paint to paint it. I also want to mention that I will have full tutorials linked in the description box of the videos, so that way these are just little clips of each video that was popular on my channel, and the full video will be linked down below. I love the way this one turned out. I think it's a great addition to my decor for summer or for really any season, because I can just change out what's inside those bowls. Number 4 on my list was a part of a challenge, a Look for Less challenge, and I had made a Pottery Barn dupe. They are wooden candelabras, and I've used some wood pieces that I had at home, and then the little vase from Dollar Tree, as well as the candlesticks from Dollar Tree, and then just some lids from a different jar that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I also used some gold acrylic paint and some black Annie Sloan chalk paint called graphite. I use Gorilla Glue to glue stuff just to make it more secure, and like I said, the full tutorial will be linked down below. I also would like to mention, if you are not following me on Instagram, to hop on over and follow me there. I do lots of stories on there of daily happenings, of upcoming challenges, and all sorts of stuff. So if you're not following me, I would love it that you follow me. So I took some gold paint first and I painted it, and then I went over and painted it with chalk paint, and once it had dried, wherever that gold paint was painted first, I gave it a little bit of sanding just so the gold paint shows through. I love the way these turned out. They're so different and unique, and I think you guys like them as well. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and join my channel. I do DIY type of videos often, a couple times a week. I participate in challenges, I host challenges. I love giving opportunities to other channels to join me. Doing challenges has done a great thing for my channel, so I'd like to return the opportunity, especially if you're a smaller channel. Challenges are a great thing to participate in. It exposes you to lots of different viewers and lots of different YouTube channels that are similar to yours. Number 3 on my list is another recent upload. This is another Look for Less, and I did this little box. I spray painted it with 2 different spray paints, and then I added some paint to it just to make it look like it's the forged metal or antiqued metal. And then added some greenery. Number 2 is a lanterns made out of these blocks. I used wood glue, wood stain, some acrylic paint, and some popsicle sticks just to apply the glue. This was a great hit. I think you guys loved this video a lot. I also linked down the in the video of this DIY. I also linked all where I got my inspirations, so make sure you go check out those. There's some blog posts, and I think there is another YouTube video as well. And the most popular DIY on my channel has to be this farmhouse window that I made, another look for less challenge. They seem to do really well for me. I had bought these 5x7 picture frames at Dollar Tree, and then just this piece of wood at Dollarama. I used some craft sticks for extra support, wood glue and hot glue, and I've created a farmhouse type of window. And then I use some paint just to add some distressing touches to the window so it looks antique. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Remember, all the videos will be linked down below if you want to check any of them out. And if this is your first time stopping by, like I mentioned before, I would love it if you subscribed, press the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuing support. Until next time, hope you all stay safe, and see you in my next video.